Hey guys, it's Zarina from Zara's Kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking a turkey. We have a beautiful turkey crown here. Small and perfect for a crowd of about 8 people. Everybody gets a piece of the white meat that we all love. I'm going to be doing something a little bit different today. I'm going to be using a meat injector, one of my favorite kitchen tools. I'm going to pack loads of flavor into this turkey. Firstly, we're going to marinate in some Chinese sauces and lots of Indian spices. The flavors are going to be bold and beautiful, so every slice is going to have all that flavor. With our marinade now. So here I have 150 grams of butter. I then have 100 ml of soya sauce. Shaoxing Wine, I've got 50 ml. Then got 50 ml of Worcestershire Sauce and 50 ml of Maggie sauce. And lastly, we've got a touch of rice vinegar. Our ginger and our garlic, chili powder, we've got some cumin and coriander, sugar, and lastly some pepper. Make sure that's all combined nicely. Bits of ginger and garlic which are inside the turkey. And there you go, just pull that in. I'm gonna stick that in to the breast and flavored turkey. And once we have injected the turkey with all those gorgeous flavors, we are going to wrap it in bacon for even more flavor. Streaky bacon that has lots of fat on it, so that fat all melts down, goes into the drippings of the turkey and creates the most beautiful juices. We're going to continuously baste the turkey so it's going to suck up all those lovely flavors, and then we're going to pop it in an oven at about 160 degrees Celsius, which is about 320 Fahrenheit, for a good couple of hours. Until the internal temperature is just perfect.